Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. Today we'll be solving the GATE Computer Science and IT exam of year 2018. Today we'll be solving the engineering mathematics portion of the paper. We'll be starting off with question number 1. So let's begin. In question number 1, we have been asked that which one of the following is a closed form expression for the generating function of the sequence an, where an is equal to twice n plus 3 for all n equal to 0 to 1 to it goes on. And the options are option A 3 upon 1 minus x whole square, option B 3x upon 1 minus x whole square, option C 2 minus x upon 1 minus x whole square, and option D 3 minus x upon 1 minus x whole square. So these are supposedly the closed form expression for the generating function. So we have to find out the generating function for an, where an is given by twice n plus 3. Now we know that generating function of 1 is equal to 1 upon 1 minus x. Similarly, generating function of n is given by x upon 1 minus x whole square. Now we have been given that an is equal to twice n plus 3. This can be written as twice n plus 3 into 1. So therefore generating function of an will be given by twice n will be given by twice of x into 1 minus x whole square plus 3 into 1 upon 1 minus x. Upon solving this, let me insert another page over here. Upon solving this, we'll get that the generating function of an will be equal to 1 minus x whole square on the denominator, and on the top we'll get twice of x plus 3 into 1 minus x. So this will give us 3 minus x upon 1 minus x whole square, which is the option D. So today we have solved question number 1 from the Computer Science and Information Technology GATE exam of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you.